Epstein's suicide has many people wondering what's happening next here in Palm Beach County for the alleged victims of Epstein and for the investigation by the sheriff's office into his work release program. CBS 12's Madeline Montgomery spoke with criminal defense attorney about what is next for the victims. Madeline, what do you know?
Local attorney Patrick McKamey has followed this case from the beginning and says Epstein's suicide definitely changes things here in Palm Beach County.
Jeffrey Epstein's.
In attorney Patrick McKamey's eyes, there's the positive of Jeffrey Epstein being dead.
His decades of systematic exploitation and sexual abuse of young women has come to an end. He's not going to be able to hurt anybody else.
And there's the negative.
Unfortunately, for many of those victims that he sexually trafficked, they're not going to see their day in court. The case is essentially over. You can't prosecute someone that is deceased. So from the criminal side of the prosecution, those seeking justice may not get their full measure of justice.
As for what happens with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's investigation into what Epstein did on his work release, McKamey thinks this won't stop that process.
No, I don't think it's going to have any impact whatsoever, because what they're doing is looking in retrospect to the internal mechanisms that allowed him to do the things that he did, which appears to be that he received certain levels of preferential treatment that others are not entitled to. So that.
McKamey also says he thinks Epstein's death just means the spotlight on his alleged abuses will now shine on his colleagues that were involved. Ashley?